Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some rain showers out there currently, continuing to move off to the north and east. We'll see those rain showers in and out of the region today. The best chance was earlier this morning of seeing the rain showers, and did see some moderate, even a period of heavy rainfall across the Wallops region this morning. Seeing a little bit of enhancement of that rainfall across the area. But that has moved off to the north and east. Just going to see some isolated scattered rain showers for the remainder of the day as a cold front approaches from the north and west, and that cold front will kind of give us unsettled conditions in the next few days. We'll see that cold front sag south of the region this evening into the overnight, giving us a chilly start to Friday, and then we'll see that front return as a warm front, giving us rain showers for Friday, and then sweeping back through once again as a cold front on Saturday morning with continued rain showers for Friday night into Saturday. So overall, kind of an unsettled weather pattern, and into New Year's Day, we'll see that rainfall the most likely of the next 7 days. Taking a look at our freezing level, we have a freezing level at 9,500 feet. From this morning's sounding, we have our winds out of the southwest and low levels anywhere from 30 to 56 knots, so a bit of speed shear between 1,000 and 3,000 feet this morning, and seeing our peak wind out of the west-southwest at 9,000 feet at 75 knots, and winds remaining fairly uniform out of the west-southwest anywhere from about 75 to 65 knots up to 25,000 feet this morning. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have this boundary that moved through the region this morning, also giving us some slightly breezy conditions as well, seeing winds just below wind advisory criteria this morning, expecting that for the next probably half an hour to an hour or so, and then once that cold front approaches from the north and west, should see those winds start to die down and turn more westerly and then eventually northerly as it passes south of the region. Going to have an area high pressure built in from the northeast overnight tonight, and that's going to give us some more tranquil weather as well as some drier conditions across the region. As I mentioned, some chilly temperatures. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have abundant cloud cover across the region, seeing some low-level cloud cover as well, around 1,000 feet this morning. Going to see that low-level cloud cover possibly increase for this afternoon, and models are showing most of the, or best chance of the low-level cloud cover being from about noon till the early evening hours today, and possibly seeing those ceilings down to almost or at 500 feet. So taking a look at our radar imagery this morning, here's the radar composite across the area. You can see those rain showers move through the region this morning, continue to move off to the north and east, seeing some scattered rain showers and isolated sprinkles across central and south central Virginia this morning. It's going to be moving towards our region for this afternoon. And taking a look at the HERM model and how that derived reflectivity will play out for today. Here's noon today. You can see some showers just off to our south. And afternoon today, the rain shower chances really kind of dwindle off or die off. And then we move in the overnight hours tonight, just seeing mainly dry conditions across the region. Can't rule out some spotty sprinkles or isolated showers for this afternoon into the early evening hours. Taking a look at the European model the next few days, this is our rain shower chances today. Then see that area high pressure really build in nicely overnight. That'll give us some more northeasterly winds or colder airflow across the region for early Friday, and then we'll see this warm front or a frontal boundary that was a cold front today return as a warm front tomorrow, and that's going to give us a good chance of rainfall for tomorrow, with some of that being moderate at times, especially during the late afternoon and evening hours. Moving into Friday night and Saturday, we'll have a cold front sweeping through. That's going to continue our chances of rainfall. Some of that could be moderate at times as well. So looking like going to see about an inch of rainfall, maybe an inch and a half of rainfall from this entire event on Friday into Saturday. And then we'll have another system approaching for Sunday that's going to give us another good chance of some rainfall across the region. The exact location of this low pressure looks like it could be over Wallops, so could be seeing some slightly warmer temperatures on Sunday into the 50s, but right now models are kind of waffling back and forth of the exact placement of this low. If it's just off the coast, we're remaining in the 40s. If it's over us, we could be seeing temperatures into the mid-50s, so tricky forecast for Sunday temperature-wise, but the rainfall chances look very likely across the region for especially Sunday morning into early Sunday afternoon. When we move into Monday and early portion of next week, we'll have some weak upper level disturbances moving through the region for Monday and Tuesday. Overall, they should be dry. Just some cloud cover associated with them. We should see more seasonable temperatures for early next week. Here's another system on Tuesday. European is the most amplified with this system and brings in the most moisture. Expected most likely to be a dry passage of really a front boundary as well as an upper level disturbance across the region. But can't rule out a sprinkle or a brief rain shower on Tuesday. And then the Wednesday, looks like we'll have an area high pressure building into the region. That should give us some tranquil conditions. So looks like fairly tranquil conditions to start next week after this unsettled weather pattern for the next few days. So our risk chart for today, we did have that rainfall in the region this morning that has continued to move out and dissipate across the area. So looking like we'll have about a 30 to 40% chance of rainfall for the remainder of the day, and chances decreasing as we move into the afternoon, evening hours. You're going to see a chance of those low-level ceilings as well, and a slight chance we see a wind advisory, but that was the highest risk for this morning before 10 o'clock. Going to see a high of 56 today, a low of 40 tonight, and as I mentioned, those winds should turn northerly this afternoon, 8 to 13 knots, and then north-northeast at 7 to 12 knots overnight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see those low-level ceilings in here today, and a ceiling around 500 feet for this afternoon, with those scattered rain showers, isolated rain showers in here. And we should see all the rain showers out of here by 22 local or 2200 local this evening, and seeing those ceilings raise after that as well. So looking like we'll have anywhere from mostly cloudy to cloudy conditions overnight with those northeasterly winds. So kind of a chilly night across the region. Into tomorrow morning, going to see anywhere from mostly cloudy to overcast skies. Our tides are currently normal. And looking at Friday and Saturday for your New Year's Day, we'll have mostly cloudy skies to overcast skies. Rain likely by late afternoon, a high of 49 degrees. Friday night, overcast, rain likely, mild with an early low of 49. And for Saturday, we'll see a chance of lingering rain showers early, then mostly to partly cloudy and mild, a high of 65 degrees. By Saturday morning, we should see those temperatures all the way up into the mid to upper 50s. As far as precipitation chances, looks like about 100% chance of rainfall for Friday afternoon or New Year's afternoon into Saturday morning. And the best chance of seeing those ceilings below 500 feet would be Friday night into Saturday morning. So taking a look at the next 7 days, a fairly active weather pattern, as I mentioned, for the next few days, with those rain shower chances at 100% Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. And we'll continue to see that temperature swings across the region for the next few days as well, with 56 today, 49 for Friday, then up to 65 for Saturday, down to 53 for Sunday, and continued more seasonable temperatures for Monday through Wednesday. More sunshine for Wednesday next week, but with those additional upper level disturbances moving through for Monday and Tuesday, going to see variable cloudiness across the region and a 20% chance of a light rain shower for Tuesday. As far as the overnight low temperatures, well above normal for the next few days, then seeing temperatures trend back towards normal, but still about 5 to 10 degrees above normal from Monday morning through Wednesday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great New Year's Eve and a New Year's Day. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.